Hey everybody, this is Gretchen the Green Lady with your fun fact for Friday. Now, how many of you compost? I'm sure that you do by now. You know that I love to compost. I did a bunch of videos last year on composting. Well, guess what? I'm going to show you a quick little tip of something that's easy to do, and maybe you didn't think of it this way. Times we compost our egg shells, but look, yep, you get those great cardboard containers and you can put the eggshell and the cardboard container all in your compost. When I'm done making my eggs, just throw them in my carton. The carton goes to the compost. Gosh, it's a great thing to do in the winter while your garden is just sitting there. Needs a little extra love. But while I do that, go ahead and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Follow me on Facebook. So, this has been Gretchen the Green Lady with your Fun Fact Friday. And I hope that you'll compost. Make it simple. If it's frustrating and aggravating, then we just won't do it. So we have to keep this simple. But I hope that you will get that compost in your ground and that you will go green.